is Jennifer Dutchess, and I completed my culminating project in collaboration with Urban Housing Solutions, which is a nonprofit agency in Nashville, Tennessee. The purpose of my residency project was to develop a guide to be used by staff members at Urban Housing Solutions that includes best practice strategies for working with individuals experiencing cognitive deficits secondary to mental illness, based upon an extensive review of evidence-based literature and findings from case studies I conducted. In order to develop the guide, I completed a thorough review of the literature regarding how cognition is impaired secondary to mental illness, including substance abuse, anxiety disorders, personality disorders, mood disorders, and schizophrenia. The guide also contains suggestions on how to teach and interact with this population in order to make learning most effective and meet the needs of individuals. Additionally, I completed a small number of case studies with residents at Urban Housing Solutions. This allowed me to develop in-depth relationships with the residents. The guide contained a thorough occupational profile of each resident I worked with and described how to best suit their needs based upon my findings. The case studies provided a real-life example that the staff members at Urban Housing Solutions could easily relate to. At the end of the project, I held an event at Urban Housing Solutions in order to share my guide and my findings. My final cognition guide included what to do to aid in learning of individuals experiencing cognitive deficits, how cognition impacts learning, and what to help for when watching an individual learn.